the oil your lungs have been waiting for. Your respiratory system deals with a lot every day. Dust, pollen, seasonal colds, stale indoor air. Rosemary essential oil is one of the few natural remedies that actually has research behind it for lung support. It is not hype. It is chemistry. The science behind the scent. The real workhorse inside rosemary oil is a compound called cineole. This is the ingredient responsible for most of the respiratory benefits people talk about. Cineole acts as an expectorant, meaning it helps loosen and clear mucus so your body can get rid of it more easily. It also carries antioxidant properties that support your immune system, and research shows it has antimicrobial effects strong enough to fight some of the bacteria linked to respiratory infections. On top of that, cineole has been linked to relief from sinus infections and a reduction in inflammation. How it eases your breathing. If eucalyptus oil sounds familiar, rosemary works in a similar way. Once it reaches the mucous membranes in your lungs, it helps break up built-up secretions, so a cough becomes more productive instead of just irritating. That is the mechanism behind why people reach for rosemary oil during a cold, sinus congestion, or general respiratory discomfort. An herb with ancient roots. Rosemary is part of the mint family and grows naturally across the Mediterranean. It carries a sharp, citrus-like scent that has made it a kitchen staple for centuries, but its reputation goes back further than that. Ancient Greeks and Egyptians treated rosemary as a sacred plant, valued for its therapeutic power long before modern labs confirmed what they already suspected. The oil comes from the leaves of the rosemary plant, which hold a high concentration of natural compounds. Extracted and processed, those compounds become the essential oil now sold as a health supplement, carrying antiseptic, antimicrobial, and anti-inflammatory properties that make it useful for sinus congestion, fever, and other respiratory issues. Know its limits. Rosemary oil is not a bronchodilator. It will not open your airways the way albuterol or other prescription inhalers do, and it should never be used as a substitute for medication your doctor has prescribed. If you live with asthma, COPD, or any other respiratory condition, talk to your doctor before adding rosemary oil or any essential oil into your routine. Natural does not automatically mean risk-free, especially when your lungs are involved. Where to find it? Rosemary essential oil is widely available as a supplement. You can pick it up at most local pharmacies or order it online through retailers.